today's video, I'm going to share another video for mini album. I already uploaded so many mini album videos. I will leave the tutorial video link in description. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you're subscribed, guys. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. First, I am taking a white chart in a given measurement and leave 0.5 cm on each side. Score the line and fold it carefully. Repeat the same step for another side. So our first base is ready. Again, take a white chart paper in a given measurement. For this also leave 0.5 cm on each side and repeat the same steps we followed before. Now we are going to need another two sizes. Repeat the same steps for the given measurement. Our bases are ready. Now I'm going to take 18 pieces of pattern paper in a given measurement. Now stick the pattern papers in a base. Customer asked the album to be in a red color, so we made all the customization he asked. He wants a 20 pages album. For 20 pages album, we can add 18 images. So he wants to add 14 pics and 4 quotes. If you guys don't have a time to make this all, no worries guys, we got your back. You can place your order through Instagram, WhatsApp or Gmail. I will add the order details in description. And also we have a wide variety of customized gifts in our Instagram page. I will add our Instagram page link in description. So go and check it out guys. Now stick the pattern papers for other bases. The materials that I used in this album, I will leave their links in description. Now repeat the same steps for 3 and 4th bases. Our 4 bases are ready. Now I'm going to make a cover page. Take a pattern paper in a given measurement and divide it into 3 parts at given measurement. And stick the pattern papers on both sides. Fold the pattern papers as shown. Now our cover page base is ready. Now we are going to stick all the bases together. Our album piece is ready. Let's design the cover page. For that, first I am taking a silver glitter foam sheet in a given measurement and then leave 0.5 cm on all sides and cut the inside part as shown. Now I'm taking a OHP sheet or transparent sheet in a given measurement and stick the OHP sheet in a silver foam sheet. And then I'm taking a double-sided tape. Now stick the tape in a glitter foam sheet. Cover all the edges carefully. Now I'm going to add some sequin. You can take any color sequins. I choose the red color for this one. After adding the sequins, stick the glitter foam sheet in the pattern paper. Now you can add any textures you want. If it is for an anniversary, you can also add a happy anniversary or name of a birthday person or anything else. Now I'm going to add some sticker in the end. Now take the center page of an album and using a scoring tool, put a hole in it. Now I'm taking a mini bottle and add a sequin in it. I will leave the material links that I used in this video in description. After adding the sequin, take the silver ring. Using a pilot tool, add the mini bottle in the album. Now our album is ready. Let's make a box for it. For that, I'm taking a pattern paper in a given measurement and draw the lines at a given point. I'm leaving 3 cm on all the sides. Now I'm going to score the lines using a scoring tool. Cut the corner lines as shown. Fold it carefully and stick the corners. Now our bottom of the box is ready. Now I'm going to make the top for the box. For that also take a pattern paper in a given measurement and leave 2 cm on all sides. Repeat the same steps that we followed for making a bottom. Now again taking a silver glitter foam sheet in a given measurement and leave 0.5 cm on all sides. For this also, I'm going to repeat the same steps that we followed for a cover page. Take a OHP sheet in a same measurement and stick it in a silver foam sheet. After that, add a double-sided tape on a silver foam sheet and add some sequin in the box. Then stick the silver foam sheet on the top and add some stickers in it. Let's stick the pics in the album. As I already told you, in this album we can add 18 pics. Due to customer policy, we can't share the images. So we are planning to stick the 14 pics and 4 quotes. Print the photos in a given measurement and stick it using a gum. This is how it will look. Now put the album in a box. I will show the album end result after sticking the pics in it. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys try this out, don't forget to share this to my Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.